I'm good. That's right. Me, I'm sleeping in the street. I'm wearing sleep in the street, Kenneth. Look at this. Sleeping on the street. Yes. Outside. Look at outside. Sleeping. Look at not a lifetime. That's why helped me to get 1K subscriber. My dream is to build a house, small house someday. If I monetize, I'll be patient.